Hey everyone, I would like to welcome y'all to the No Fix Studio. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the like button. In today's video, we are making the nail beds for our nail display. I want to start with 10 millimeters as the length of an average nail bed. Some nail beds are longer, some are shorter, but here we are going with 10 millimeters. So what you see me doing now is sanding down where I'm going to put the product to make it a 10 millimeter long nail bed. So you want to file it down, make sure that it's dust free. And here you see me start off with purple, but later on in the video you will see me go from purple to a natural nail bed color because I felt as though it shouldn't be purple, like the whole nail shouldn't be purple. So you see right here I have popped the nail off and I'm re-sanding it. And then I'm going in with the natural nail color that I got from Lovely Mimi a couple years ago when I did her nail class. And as you see, I am free-forming the nail bed. And this takes me about 5 minutes each stick. And I did 20 of them. We're gonna fast forward through a lot of this. I'm only gonna show the first one I did and the last one I did in normal speed. And the rest I will be fast forwarding through. I did want to chime in and say that while doing this on a stick, you don't get the natural heat from a live person hand, so it takes a little bit longer to form, and that's why it takes about 5 minutes, because I have to wait for it to dry a little bit to actually get the form, the shape that I would want. At this point, I am thinking like, okay, I should cover the line that I made. So I'll go in for other beads to cover the lines that I made to, like, I don't know, make the position I want. And then I go on to the second stick to let that dry. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it so you can jump into action.